Howdy, hey folks, and welcome to my garage. I recently found this push button combo in a tree while I was pulling my canoe out.
What in the world?
And it looks like it's never been fished, which is insane. It's still got its little tab on it here, but it is completely seized up. Ooh, it moves a little bit. Ooh, that doesn't move though. So I kind of want to take it apart and see if I can fish it. I've got to find an end that fits on it, and if I can't find an end that fits, then I'll probably just pull the reel off and put it on another rod that I've found. I think we're going to call this one a Find and Fix and Fish. Let me know if you guys want to see more of this. I might do a series. We'll see. Let's get into it. Okay, so I've got this Zebco set up here that I actually pulled out of a dumpster as well. I'm going to try to fit the end of it onto this rod. And then if that doesn't work, we can just use this rod. Okay, so honestly, I'm pretty stoked with how this turned out. I really didn't think I was going to be able to even get it to budge, and I'm super excited to get out and try to fish this, as garbage as it is. Yeah, maybe we'll do some test casting, and then let's fish it. I'm out here where I found this rod in a tree over there. I've got a black rooster tail on here, so let's see if we can try to make anything bite in this rainy weather. Oh, that was a bluegill, just nibbled it. Uh-oh. Well, I guess that's the end of that one. Well, this thing lasted longer than I expected it to. We didn't catch any fish, but we did get a nibble over there. Thanks so much for coming along with me and watching this. Let me know if you like this type of video, and maybe I'll do some more. We'll see you next time.